And it came to pass in the first month of the second year that the tabernacle was reared up, and Moses fastened its sockets and set up the boards thereof. This sucks.
What's the matter, kiddo? Lose another friend?
This Bible's boring.
Maybe we can help.
How, honey? How do we do that?
With this.
The Bird Bible?
I've heard about this. This is that Bible that's got all your favorite stories portrayed by birds.
Kids find new appreciation for the Bible with biblical characters portrayed by some of North America's most beautiful birds.
Hey, son, remember Moses?
Yeah, what about him?
Well, here he is, parting the Red Sea.
Wow, those Israelites are like, whoa.
Do you see how they're all birds?
Yeah.
With the Bird Bible, your family will never be bored with Scripture again. Each story is accurately and lovingly reenacted by beautiful yard birds.
Look, that's Adam and Eve getting kicked out of the Garden of Eden.
That's so cool.
The birds help make it seem more real.
Mm-hmm. See that talon coming down from the sky? That's God. Look how freaked out they are.
All your favorites are here, like David and Goliath.
Who wins?
Turn the page.
David won. He cut off that big bird's head and left it to rot in the sand.
Me.
And look, here's the birth of Jesus.
Oh, yeah. But I would have made the wise men owls.
Yeah, let's just enjoy it for what it is.
Make the Bird Bible part of your life today. Send $800 to Bird Bible Incorporated.
Thank you to Coldplay, Emma Stone, the entire amazing, ridiculous